Welcome to the Cryptoverse, guys. My name is Brandon and I am back with another video for you guys today. Today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on Harmony because we saw a little bit of a rally over the last week for Bitcoin, and some of the alts also started to make a little bit of a rally. Look like it's starting to cool off, maybe do a little bit of correction. But I also want to share one piece of news with you guys before we jump into the charts. So let's roll the intro and let's hop straight on in to Harmony 1. Welcome into the Cryptoverse, guys. So first we're going to start off by taking a look at Harmony on CoinMarketCap, and then we are going to take a look at that news article. Well, it's not actually a news article, it's like a little GitHub post that one of the developers made for the Harmony team, and then we're going to check in on the charts for Harmony. So if we're looking at CoinMarketCap, Harmony is currently sitting at rank 87, sitting at 7 cents, and it's currently down 5% for the day, and then the trading volume is down 14% for the day. So Harmony, for the day it's down 5%, not too bad. So let's go ahead and check on this news article. So Aave market launch on Harmony. So this is not it's not on there yet, and I'm not sure if it's confirmed. I think they made a proposal to the Aave team for Harmony, or for Aave to launch on the Harmony ecosystem. So Harmony is proposing to deploy Aave v2 on the Harmony blockchain to expand lending to its community of users and provide incentives to bootstrap the launch of Aave to a new ecosystem. So like I said, it's a proposal to the Aave team to try and bring lending to the Harmony community. So our goal is to support Aave as it continues to expand in the coming multi-chain world. Harmony is an open and fast blockchain that is fully Ethereum compatible with 2-second transaction finality and near zero fees. Pretty sure a lot of you already knew that if you are a Harmony Harmony fan. Harmony invites the Aave community to support this launch by initially participating in the Aave contracts development via multisig, enabling the Aave v2 front end for Harmony markets, and adding Harmony in its recently announced 13 cross-chain governance module roadmap. Harmony will start with 2 million in incentives to bootstrap initial usage of Aave on Harmony. So they're going to start off with 2 million, basically 2 million bucks for borrowing and lending basically. So for the people who don't know what Aave is, I'll have a link to the Aave site in the description below. But that is basically it for this. Basically, Aave will soon be coming, or potentially soon be coming, because it's only a proposal. Aave could be coming to the Harmony ecosystem to provide lending and borrowing to, make more passive income on your tokens. So that is always a good thing. Now let's go ahead and jump on over to the charts, guys. So for Harmony 1, we are still in this downtrend. We're trying to break out of this downtrend here. As you see, this little trend that formed here from May 26, 2021. And here we broke out of it just a little bit. Let me pull up my brush so you guys can see. So we broke out here just a little bit, and then we got rejected off the 200 moving average, closing right back inside of this trend here. But we are still above the 20 moving average and also still above the 50 moving average. And if you check this, the volume is also dropping off on this down bar here. And if you just look at it in like simple terms, this here just looks like a correction to me. If you look back left this way, we use this as resistance here. We used it as support quite a lot. As you see, we used it as support here, here, and then also here. And then we ended up losing the support, but we weren't below the support for too long. We ended up losing it twice actually, but we did not stay below this level of support for too long. So I think this 7 cent level here is a very important level for Harmony to hold, to be able to maintain this momentum to the upside. So we ended up coming up here, breaking back through this level of resistance that was previous support. We ended up shooting straight through it on some pretty nice volume. So it looks like we're just coming back to retest this level of support, retest the level of high volume, see if we can gain some more momentum here and then continue up from there. as you can see, can also see that this can potentially be, you know, like a wedge here that's forming, like maybe a rising wedge, just a little bit. Doesn't look like it's too much of a rising wedge, or maybe just, you know, a triangle of some sort. Maybe we are about to break this to the upside here. Maybe we, you know, sit here for a couple more days or so, or even weeks, you never know, and then we continue up from there. And we also put in this higher low here on July 21st. So we got this first one, then we got the second low. We still have yet to put in a higher high, but we are making some way towards putting in the higher high, and not sure how long it could take. Maybe we even, you know, come up and then start to lose. We don't want to see us. We don't want to see us, you know, start to break some of these lows down here. That would like and just invalidate this whole move here, because if you use the trend based fib that I like to use a lot here to this down bar, we don't want to see price close below here, because if it closed below this bar here, then it just invalidates this low that was put here, this higher low that was put in here, because then you get a lower low there. So then it just like an indecision basically in the market. Excuse me, guys. Basically it's just indecision in the market. So we also have this trend here, like I said, though. If we can get a break to the upside of this trend line here with some nice volume, because it does look like we potentially will be closing off of this resistance level here, or support level here, which would be a good thing since we didn't close below. If we close below it, then if we start to get multiple closes below this resistance level, then that could be a sign of weakness, and we could start to, you know, roll over and potentially break this level here, which would be a bad sign. So for Harmony, it's looking pretty good. And then if we were to just go into the 4-hour chart and see what that's looking like, as you can see, we are still holding above this support level here at 7 cents, almost 7.5 cents. We ended up getting rejected off the 50% level, which are very strong support and resistance levels. So I want to see us, you know, maybe gain some strength here, come back up here, test this 50% level again, and then maybe potentially break it. But if we can, you know, get above this 50% level and then start to consolidate above the 50% and then make another leg up, that would also be a good thing also. But if we do get another leg up for Harmony, a level that I am looking at for, you know, some potential resistance to come in play would be up here around, you know, 11 cents. Since we had, you know, some tests there, looks like we have some support around here, some resistance there. Yeah, so 11 cents at the 1618 on the Fibonacci for this trend that forms here. If that was to happen, that is a total of 50% away. So we still got a lot of, you know, movement to do before we get back up to there. But the 50% level is only a total of 14% away. So maybe we come up, test this 14% or 50% level, excuse me, guys. If we can stay, you know, close, maybe we get like a touch and then we, you know, consolidate close to the 50% level and then get a breakthrough. That would also be a good scenario there that could potentially happen. But some scenarios that I'm looking at, maybe we, you know, see the consolidation on the support level, then we push up some, make a higher low, and then come up some more. But all in all, for Harmony 1, it's looking good. We put in a higher low. We still are waiting to see that higher high come in. Not sure how long that could take. Could take months, could take weeks, could happen tomorrow. But that is the least likely scenario. We are still waiting for the higher high to get put in. We are getting close to breaking this trend line here. If you want to call this a triangle, like a, you know, triangle here that is breaking out, that is something that you can see also. But we are still sitting on the support level pretty nicely here, still above the 20 moving average, 50 moving average. And if we go check in on the hourly chart to see like what is going on, we have lost all the EMAs, but we are still above the support level, which is a good thing here. So all in all, for Harmony, guys, looking pretty good. As long as Bitcoin doesn't come down and start to plummet, then I think Harmony will most likely come up and test this 8 cent level again at the 50%. Maybe even break this level if Bitcoin starts to go back up to 41,000 where it was at a couple days ago. So guys, for Harmony, still bullish long term for me. Still very bullish for long term. Short term, still kind of, you know, sketchy, but we are starting to get some bullish momentum. As you guys seen, we are starting to get closer to this trend and break this here. If we can break that to the upside, that will be a very nice thing to see for the bulls. So guys, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I have my Twitter link in the description below, my Discord link in the description. Also, I have a link to that proposal page, and also I have a link to the Aave page for the people who don't know what Aave is. They can just go read that and see what Aave is and what it can bring to the Harmony ecosystem. So guys, with that being said, Cryptoverse out of here. See you guys in the next video.